It's me, Ghetto Mama. Guess what time it is? It's mukbang time. And because all the ladies out there have been doing spaghetti, guess what? I'm doing spaghetti too. But the thing is, I don't have a lot of sauce on mine because I don't like a lot of sauce on my spaghetti. I like butter and noodles, basically. And I got a salad. I don't even have a drink. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, yeah, so let's eat. Bon appetit. How I cook my spaghetti is I took ground beef and I put it in a skillet and I sauteed it, and then I transferred it to a crock pot minus the grease. You gotta drain it. So I cooked it till it was done, and then I put it in a crock pot and I put spices on it like garlic powder, onion powder, some real garlic, and pepper, and some bouillon, like a tomato bouillon and some beef bouillon. That was for the salt content of it, so I didn't add regular salt, just add that. And a package of frozen fajita mix that is basically green peppers and onions and Prego. Oh, and a can of tomatoes that have Italian seasoning in it. And it was in a crock pot like for 5 hours on high. I don't know, my crock pot's kind of slow, so it didn't like burn or anything like that, but that's how I had it in my crock pot. And this salad has romaine hearts and cucumber and parm cheese and these little grape tomatoes. Not bad if I say so myself. Well, you know, you're going to have garlic bread with it, but today's Friday, and I bought garlic bread on Tuesday in the silver foil thing, and you just put it in the oven and heat it up. I'm not going to tell you what store I bought it from, but I will say that after it got heated up and the package was open, it was green. Yeah, mildewed. And it wasn't old. Let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It was like 3 days old. And there was a, you know, it didn't expire, so I don't get it. And I bought two, so I told my son to go check out the other one, and it was green too. What's up with that? So no garlic bread with this. So sad. But lately I've been getting really bad stuff from the store. I don't know. I bought a jug of milk. I forget where. And when I opened it up, it smelled like cottage cheese. It stank. That sure isn't very appetizing. Hold on a minute, guys. I need to get me a drink. Okay, I'm back. Milk does your body good. So does anybody have plans for the weekend? I have my usual crap plans. Go to the store and get some stuff to make sandwiches for lunch. So I'll probably be hitting up Walmart or Winco. Probably both. Maybe Mukbang needs more milky cows. That's what we call her formula. Or Walmart's cheaper. Well, my son's riding a motorcycle tonight. And I'm worried. I don't like the fact he's riding a motorcycle. Stupid. He left his wallet at home with his license in it. Oh, brother. And I told his big brother to ask him a few questions. Like what he did with his car. Oh, it's at the friend's house where he's getting the motorcycle from. Well, he's borrowing the motorcycle. And it's none of my business, I was told. But it is my business because I'll be the first one that he'll call when he gets in trouble. And then he'll expect me to do damage control, fix everything. To me, preventative medicine is everything. I'd shoot him a text, but if he sees it's for me, he won't answer it. I don't know what I've done to piss him off like this, but you know, once they turn 18, they know everything, right? Well, I just hope he doesn't get in trouble tonight. And most of all, I hope he don't get hurt. I had beggars, and they've already had spaghetti. The other one's not begging so much. He's had his fill. I'm not really talking tonight because I don't have nothing good to say. And what they say in Bambi movie, if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing at all. On a lighter note, I was thinking about my other channel. And I was thinking about some funny parodies I could do. I'm not going to say what they are just in case somebody tries to steal my ideas, but I have some really funny crap, I think. I just got to figure out how I'm going to do it. Cucumber. Well, since I don't have nothing to say, I don't think you want to sit here and watch me eat. Because you probably want me to interact with you. So I'm going to conclude this mukbang. I'm going to finish my dinner and think of something good to say. And I might be back for an update after I get done eating. I don't know. You might have enough of me already for today. But anyway, thank you for the new subscribers, and thank you for my old subscribers, which my channel isn't old, but thank you, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed my video. I have another channel on here called Leslie Sing, and I have different stuff on there. You might like it. If you do, subscribe, hit like, share, because I want to get enough traffic on my channel so that maybe someday I can monetize it. Because right now YouTube is like, you have to have so many of this and so many of that to be able to monetize it. I really want to try. Really want to try. Alright guys, I will see you next video. Later, gang.